Yeah, but I still feel like there's something wrong between us. It's just like tension when we talk.
I'm just worried about you. And if you saw someone do this...
I didn't see anything.
Listen, Dials. Be happy about one thing. You killed your mother. The game. You hear me? You were amazing. You killed her. You were a hero. But now you're killing me.
I'm not a hero, Dad.
You were last night.